Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself working in Power BI and wished you could easily add a unique serial number or sequence to each row in your data, you're in the right place. Today I'm walking you through how to create your very own serial number formula in Power BI step by step. By the end of this quick beginner's guide, you'll know exactly how to add sequential numbers to your tables. Super helpful for organizing reports, troubleshooting, or simply bringing more order to your analytics. Let's jump right in and get hands-on. First things first, find your sales table in Power BI. If you're working with a different dataset, no worries, the process will be exactly the same, just use your own table. With the sales table selected, give it a right click. This brings up a little menu where you'll see the option for New Column. Go ahead and click that. The reason we're using a new column instead of creating a new table or measure is because we want every single row in the table to have its own unique, automatically generated sequence number. Think of it like giving every entry its own ticket number, super useful when you need to quickly reference or trace individual data points. Now, once the formula bar appears at the top, this is where you'll type in the formula for your serial or sequence numbers. For most cases, you'll want to use the DAX function called row number, or you might use RANKX. Both can serve this purpose, but for generating a simple serial number, row number within an ADDCOLUMNS statement works well. For today's purposes, type in a basic formula like serial no equals ranks all sales, sales your primary column ASC. Make sure to replace your primary column with the column you want to sort by, maybe a timestamp, a unique identifier, or anything that makes the order logical for your data. Once you've typed in your formula, press enter. Power BI will work its magic in the background, calculating and assigning a serial number to every row based on your chosen column. Give it a moment to process, especially if your dataset is pretty large. Once it's done, take a look. You'll now see a brand new column in your sales table with sequential numbers starting from 1 all the way down. This is now your row serial number. You might wonder why this step is important. The truth is, when you're navigating or presenting large sets of data, having a clear sequence helps with tracking changes, cross-referencing quickly, and maintaining clarity when you add filters or perform analysis later. Now for a quick demo, try adding or editing some data in your table. You'll see Power BI automatically keeps the serial numbers consistent and unique for every row. Even if you change the sort order, apply filters, or make updates, each record holds on to its value. This is especially handy in reports where you want to preserve original order or create a simple reset filters effect by using the serial column. If you run into any hiccups like the serial numbers not lining up as expected, double-check that you're using the right column in your formula and that there aren't duplicates in your sort column. Don't stress if it doesn't look perfect right away. It sometimes takes a bit of tweaking based on your specific dataset. And that's it, you now have a reliable serial number system in your Power BI table. This small step can really boost how you track and manage your data, especially as your reports become more detailed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want to dive deeper into Power BI tricks, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you and helping troubleshoot specific issues. For more beginner-friendly Power BI guides, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.